Hi, in the video I've got this Sony radio cassette which I recently bought. It's damaged. You can see the button switch missing there. Let me just show you the top. It's been sitting somewhere gathering dust, and apparently the seller states that the radio works but the cassette does not. It doesn't play tapes. So let me just put the radio on for you. FM.
It's a lot more environmentally friendly than my boiler and just a smooth.
Okay, that seems to be working okay.
I saved thousands thanks to the government grant. Couldn't believe it. It's lovely.
Just tune into another channel there. Just put it to long wave. I'm gonna get a signal here because I've got a plasma TV in the background and medium wave. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is strip the unit down and see what's going on the inside. Let me show you here. You see I press play. Rewind works fine. The take-up wheel spinning and forwards. But the play, as you can see, the take-up wheel on the left should be moving, but it's not. So I'm going to be able to look at that today. So let me just strip the unit down. You can see I'm just removing all the screws. Find out what's going on inside in regards to the tape, as the radio seems to be working okay. So and then I'm just going to give it a bit of a clean. Just remove the tuner knob and move these volume and tone controls. And then it's just a case of I've missed a screw in the battery cover there. Let me just highlight it for you. So I'm just going to take that screw out. That's the last retaining screw. Just do that lively. Okay. Got that last screw out. Put it to the side here. And then you should be able to pull the back cover apart like so. And I think it's just being held on by the power cable from the transformer. So let me just undo that. And then all I've got to do now is disconnect this switch at the bottom. Beat cut switch. Just undo these two screws here. Then it's a matter of prizing it out, the actual switch itself. Okay, so that's the switch removed. That's the back cover separated. Get closer with that. Still got the transformer attached. So what I've got to do now is remove the inners. I'm just removing the control board here. And then I'm just removing the cassette module. I'll have to do this lively because it was a long process, just to make the video shorter. Okay, I've got the speaker undone. Just put that to one side. This is the tweeter, but it's a solid speaker, so that can stay in. To show you all the mess inside, and I don't know what this is here. Let me see if I can get it out and show you. That was just sitting in the bottom of the radio. Absolutely no idea where it's come from. Get a little close up there. It's got a number on it. Don't know what that is, but I'm going to have to investigate, see where that came from. It's got a light on it and the button switch seems depressed, so I'm going to have to have a look at that later. So now what I'm going to do is remove this transformer from the rear cover, from the back cover. Do the 4 screws and get that out of the way. And then I'm just unplug it where the battery from the battery pack. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is give these sections a clean. Also removed the covers, and this is the front cover here. Got all the main electronics removed from it, so I'll just give it a wash. Just put it in this bucket of very liquid and water and just give it a scrub. Get rid of all that dirt and dust, years of dirt and dust. Okay, so I've got it nice and clean, so I'm going to take it outside and get rid of all the soap. Using just rinsing it off. Remove the covers. A lot of soap inside the ears, you can see. So just get rid of that also. Right, this is the cassette module. Obviously I'm not going to dip this in water, but I'm just going to clean the buttons, and I'm just going to use a wet wipe to clean the radio dial indicator, so it's nice and clean. And there's a bit of dust on these lights, which I'm just removing here with a wet wipe. And then I'm just going to use this contact spray on the volume buttons and the on and off switch. Okay, so they've got a poor contact, and I'll just work that in, as you can see there. Okay, I've got the panels off nice and dry now, and nice and clean also. But I've noticed these, it's like the paint's come off at the bottom here of the front cover, speaker cover. So what I'm going to do is just mask it off. You see here, just mask it off with some masking tape. Just make sure that's seated correctly. So I'm just going to give it a spray with some matte black spray, just to cover the parts that was the paint has come off at the bottom. I'm happy with that. So it's just a matter of removing the masking tape, and just remove the masking tape off this tweeter here. Didn't want to spray that black, and it looks pretty good. Okay, so this is the cassette module. I'm just going to do a bit of maintenance around the sliding parts. Just put a bit of white grease on it. Let me show you here. It's got a dry belt, which usually perish, but this one's in very good nick, so I'm not going to replace it. And this is the button on the top for the lights. I want it to protrude, and it's just flush, so I'll just heat it up and see if I can get that sit how I want it, like so. You can see it's protruding now. Okay, everything's nice and clean now, as I can show you here. These are all the panels are removed. It's just a matter of reassembling the unit. Now that I've got all the parts clean and working. But I'm obviously going to do this lively because it did take quite a while. And just to shorten the video, I've obviously speed it up. Okay, this is the handle. It's paint silver, and it's a bit scratched and worn. So I'm just going to do a bit of cosmetics on that also. Once again, just going to mask it off with some masking tape. You see there. And cover the whole thing with newspaper. And I'm just going to spray the handle with a nice new coat of paint, silver paint. And that's dry now, so let me just remove the masking. And I've got the radio assembled, but I've still got to somehow find a button, the on and off button for here, which is obviously missing. I've been having a look, and it just seems like rocking horse, what's it name? But okay, so this is the finished product. I've got the radio switch on, I've got batteries in the back, and it looks quite tidy. Let me just show you here. That's the light working now, you see. And that's medium wave, and that's FM.
What is Calvin Harris's real name?
John.
What's something you might put on a
I'll show you the
pancake?
top here. You can see it's nice and it's dirty before. Here it's nice and clean.
Beatles.
Where's the next Olympics being held?
And you can see the handle there. I've sprayed it, and
The phone.
it looks nice and new now.
Who won the best?
Let me just show you the cassette. I've got a cassette in there, and that's working fine now. It was before the take-up wheels weren't turning. I'll just show you here. Put some batteries in the back. So with that successful repair, I'm pretty pleased with it. So with that, thanks for watching once again, and please subscribe.